Yo, what is good, dev guys? It's your boy Kane. Yes, sir. I'm back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to talk over some pre-recorded footage of some features that I added to the Lyra Starter Game. Let's start with my customization system, okay? I want you guys, just like Fortnite, to be able to go in here and select whatever skin fits your style, however you want to show off what kind of player you. I want to offer that to you. Here, I'm just using the base mannequin with some recolors just to get a proof of concept going. But if I hover over, it shows the color that I'm hovering over, and then once I actually click, it saves the color. I actually clicked on the gold, and that's why every time I hovered off of it, it went back to gold, because it saves the last used character. And whenever you hover off, it shows the last used character. So when we come in here and we spawn in, you can see we're using that sexy gold skin. Oh my God, it's so good looking. I can eat it. Looks like chocolate caramel covered chocolate. You know what I'm talking about? All right, so let me put it like this. Customization is across all boards, baby. It works for the weapons too. We're gonna go in here, we're gonna edit our rifle, our pistol, and our shotgun. Yes, I know I'm using the base shit from the fucking Lyra Starter Game, but like I said, proof of concept, then we'll add the content later. So here I'm gonna select the red rifle. I'm gonna go into the pistol. I'm gonna go ahead and select, hold on, what did I select? The blue pistol, yes, that's right. And then in the shotgun, I think I also selected the blue shotgun. So pay no attention to how, because when I hovered over that, it that doesn't have the same code yet as the characters. I still need to add that. Requires a little bit different process though. Here we're going to jump into the game, and we're going to see those skins carry on over, and you'll see that customization is across all boards, man. There's going to be a lot of freedom in this game, and we'll talk about that a little bit later in this video, but here we go. Let's see that rifle. Oof. Okay, that's the red thing. You dig what I'm saying? That's that red thing we bought. Okay, the pistol there is blue, just like we wanted. Oh my God, I wasn't supposed to show that off yet. Okay, here's the shotgun, and it's blue, just like we saved in the lobby. So yeah, man, the customization system is up and going. Let's see some more features in action here. There's our buy menu. Like I said, you can buy any ability, you can buy any weapon. And I don't think I said that, but yeah, you're going to have a lot of freedom in this game. All the abilities. Oh my God, wait, I got to talk about this. First person, third person hybrid, just like Ghost Recon Wildlands. I know you guys play some games like that where you go from third to first person. I want to make sure all my shooting is in first person, because I am a first person shooter mother. You dig what I'm saying? So yeah, back to the freedom, man. A lot of games, they gate abilities and they gate weapons behind certain characters, and I don't want to do that. All right, so in my game, you're going to be able to buy any ability that is available to you as long as you can afford it. You're going to be able to buy any weapon as long as you can afford it, as long as you have enough currency in the bank. You got to manage your own your own economy, just so you can have the overpowered weapons that you want. And of course, when you die, you respawn with the weapons that you've already purchased. So there's, like I said, there's going to be a ton of freedom, man. I'm hitting my shots. I'm looking good. Oh, I just whiffed. Okay, went on the 5 killing spree. There is accolades in the game. That's something built into the Lyra Starter Game, though. So I won't take credit for that. But I will take credit for this. You dig what I'm saying? We added flight. Dig what I'm talking about? This is gonna make or break the game. People either gonna hate it or they're gonna love it, because this is a different way to maneuver throughout the map. So you won't just be stuck sprinting and sliding and dashing. You're going to be able to get up there and lift off. You dig? Like Buzz Lightyear to infinity and beyond. Like I said, I want to offer you guys a lot of freedom to maneuver around the map, to escape a death. You know what I mean? To make a decision that fits you. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.